folks. Today is a very special day because, well, we're going on an adventure to find a very rare bird. Are you up for the challenge? Let's go. First, let's look over this balcony. Oh my! It's a closer look. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. You guys. No one's ever found this bird before. This is so rare. Come on, let's go. Oh God, where are you? Oh my gosh, I can't believe we found the orange feathered bird. Can you believe it? We were just sitting in that exact spot. Don't you feel honored? Why are we doing this? Come back, little bird. Please. I've come up with a plan to capture her. I'm gonna hide right here until she comes down the stairs. Shh, I think I hear her coming right now. Tell me if you see anything. Do you see anything? Oh my gosh. It's her. Ladies and gents, we just got a foot away from the bird. Cool beans. Boom.